Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about Trump Media, Truth Social, why this company has been getting absolutely obliterated in the past 2 months of getting extreme sell-off from highs at about $80 all the way down to about $18. We're going to be talking about should you buy, should you sell, and giving you guys my honest thoughts about this company. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, like, subscribe. I appreciate you guys. Also, if you guys want to learn more about investing and trading in the market, check out our school. It's the Swing Trading Masterclass. It's absolutely fantastic. It's 6 years of trading experience broken down into an 8-week course, and we're doing an amazing sale for 50% off. All you guys need is to use code LIONS, like the Detroit Lions, because they just won. Let's go. I'm not sure if you guys can see my hat. Code LIONS, all caps, to get 50% off. So check it out down below. We got private live streams, a group chat, quizzes, lectures, all that good stuff. So check it out. And guys, let's dive into this. So I think we all know Trump Media has seen huge amounts of volatility. Looking at this chart here, you guys can see exactly that, where the stock has gone from lows at about $15, hitting highs at about $18, selling back down to lows. So to look at this stock as an investment, right? I think that investing to hold this position for over a year does carry risk. It carries an extreme amount of risk because this type of company is very, very influenced on politics. And I don't want to get political on here, whether you vote for Trump or Harris or whoever you want to vote for. I don't care. What I do care about is making money. And right here with DJT here, looking at it as, looking at some of the fundamentals here, like the revenue and all that good stuff. Let's break it down because it is important before you invest. And yeah, just to be completely clear and upfront here, is Trump Media, it's just very influenced on Donald Trump. So, looking at the revenue breakdown, you guys can see that right here, there we go. So their total revenue is down about 29%. In the previous couple of quarters, we really haven't seen that much growth. And in the past quarter, we've seen a revenue of $837,000. $837,000. And I know that might seem like a lot of money for, people like you and I, but the company is worth about $4 billion right now. And I know that, yes, most companies, especially growth, you pay a little premium for it. But as of right now, I just don't like how we've seen 2 previous quarters of revenue decreases. Another thing here is the gross profit is down 30%, as well as the operating profit is down about 394%. So the operating profit, for those of you that don't know the difference between gross and operating profit is pretty much all of the profit other than debt interest and taxes in most circumstances. Now, the gross profit is pretty much just how much does it cost to make it. So if you sold cars, that would be the tires, the engine, the doors, the windows for the gross, for all that stuff, for the gross profit there. So I definitely think that right now with the decreasing in gross an operating profit, that is not that good. Another thing here that I do think is important is looking at this here. You guys can see this is right on Google here. Their net profit margin for this company is down about 2.4%, which isn't that bad. It's not that bad. But what I do care about is this. It's down $1,955. So what this means is for every $100 Truth Social brings in, they lose $1,995, which is not very good. So to answer that question, as far as a long-term investment goes, at least for me, I just don't see the value out of it. Not saying you can't make money from this, because like I said, this company is very influenced on President Donald Trump. If he wins this election, I would not be surprised if we saw the stock go back up to levels near and around $30 to $40. I think that would be very fair. That would be doubling what this company does. But you have to ask yourself, if this stock does squeeze up from that election, is this gonna cause an increase in revenue and and all this stuff that keeps the company going? The answer to that question is it may increase it just a little bit, but I think that it's not gonna be as much as we hoped. Also, should you trade it, right? I mean, commonly, you can see there is some heavy amounts. If we actually zoom out, let's go to like a different type of chart here. You guys can see, if it pulls up here, the heavy amount of support here we could get near and around this $18 mark, because that is right above that 200-day moving average line, which historically is a very bullish thing for the stock to do, is to trade around it. So I don't know. For me, I would rather just sit on the sidelines for this type of company and invest into other stocks. And this thing, guys, right now is squeezing up like absolute crazy, like craziness. Look at this. Let's go to the hourly. This thing has popped off. I looked at it, it was up 10%. So I'm sure some sort of news outlet released something. Yeah, right here. So Trump Media shares halted to the upside. Stock is now up 12%. So something's going on, I'm sure. And oh, right here. So Trump sees volume. Trump says, no, I'm not selling. That's why we're getting buying pressure. So let me know if you guys are buying it. Oh, I didn't even show you guys. But right here, Trump pretty much stating he is not selling any shares anytime soon. So that's why we're getting buying pressure. But guys, hope you guys all enjoyed this. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. This is crazy. Take care, guys.